Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 20, OV 34. घेऊ गेले साईंचे दर्शन, मस्तकी धरिले श्रीचे चरण, करुनिया साष्टांग वंदन, सुख संपन्न जाहले. He went to have Sai's darshan, held the feet of the Lord at his head, prostrated himself and felt full of happiness. संत कृपेचे अवलोकन, संतमुखीचे मधुर वचन, संताचे ते सुहास्य वदन, कृतकल्याण भक्तगण. One compassionate glance from a saint, sweet words from the mouth of a saint, the smiling face of a saint, bestow the devotees with good fortune. केवळ संताचे दर्शन, करी सकल दोषाचे क्षालन, जयासी त्याचे नित्य सन्निधान, काय ते पुण्य वर्णावे. Even the mere darshan of saints is able to wash off all sins. How can the good fortune of those be described who are permanently in their company? का गणू कोठुनी आगमन, पुसती बाबा वर्तमान, कुशल आहे ना समाधान, चित्त प्रसन्न सर्वदा. Hello Ganu, from where have you come? Inquired Baba. Is everything all right? Are you happy and contented? गणुदास देती प्रत्युत्तर, असता आपुले कृपाछत्र, किमर्थ भावे म्या खिन्नांतर, आनंद निर्भर असे मी. Ganudas answered, When you have graced and protected me, why should I be unhappy? I am profoundly happy. आपणही हे सर्व जाणता, लोकोपचारार्थ प्रश्न करिता, मीही जाणूनी आहे चित्ता, कुशल वृत्ता कापुसता. You know everything, so why are you making small talk as a formality? I too am aware why you are asking about my happiness. स्वये मज करवी आरंभ करविता, पुढे तो रंगारूपास येता, मध्येच ऐसी मेघ मारिता, पुणाही उकलिता उकलेना. You propelled me to start a new venture. When it is in full swing, you have created an insoluble problem which no one can resolve, however it may be tried. ऐसे परस्पर चालले भाषण, करीत गणुदास पाद संवाहन, ईशावास्य भावार्थ बोधन, संबोधे प्रश्न पुसिला. Thus ran their mutual exchange as Ganudas pressed his feet and asked the question referring to the Ishavasya Bhavartha Bodhini. ईशावास्य भावार्थ बोधिनी, लिहू जाता अडखळे लेखणी, शंका कुशंका राहती मनी, बाबा त्या उकलुनी सांगाव्या. While writing the Ishavasya Bhavartha Bodhini, my pen has stopped. Many doubts and misconceptions arise in my mind. Baba, please solve them. साध्यंत घडला जो जो प्रकार, केला बाबांच्या पायी सादर, आशंका ही दुर्निवार, मांडिली समोर बाबांच्या. He presented the whole matter from the beginning to the end at Baba's feet with respect and placed his doubt which was extremely difficult to solve. गणुदास विनवी साईनाथा, माझे ग्रंथ परिश्रम वृथा, ही या ईशावास्याची कथा, आपण सर्वथा जाणता. Ganudas humbly pleaded to Sainath, saying, All my efforts over this book are going to be futile. You know the whole of the story about the Ishavasya,